talk about a person who holds many number of records, who has never missed any ball of achievement, who has never lost his grip on team spirit. Maharajas lead the people to do great things, and true Maharaj of cricket, Ganguly or Dada, transformed Indian cricket team to world beaters. Be it being former Indian captain or the president of the Cricket Association of Bengal, Sourav Ganguly has proved that he can hit any ball out of the ground. Ganguly was instrumental in creating a new culture in Indian cricket. His captaincy became famous for his aggressive tenor for backing young players like Yuvraj Singh, Harbhajan Singh and even Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Sourav Ganguly is all set to be elected unopposed as BCCI president. He filed his nomination in Mumbai on October 14, 2019. With this, he is to become the second Indian cricketer to serve as the president of BCCI. The only other Indian captain to become full-time BCCI president was Maharaj Kumar of Vizzy, who led the Indian team during the tour of England in 1936. He became the president of BCCI in 1954. In 2014, Sunil Gavaskar and Shivlal Yadav served as interim presidents but not as full-time administrators. The BCCI elections were scheduled to be held on October 23. Ganguly pipped Brijesh Patel to become front-runner for the post of BCCI president. He will serve as BCCI president till September 2020 due to the cooling off period.
बीसीसीआई के प्रेसिडेंट के तौर और पिछले 3 साल से बीसीसीआई में एक ऐसा सिचुएशन था जैसे आप इमरजेंसी कह सकते हैं, तो उसको ओवरकम किए सारे मेंबर्स ने और ये जो टीम आई है जो आठ लोगों का नाम राजीव जी ने अनाउंस किया, उनके साथ मिलके बीसीसीआई को पहले जैसा लाएंगे, बिकॉज देयर इज लॉट ऑफ वर्क टू डू. इंडियन क्रिकेट स्पेशली एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हैज़ टू बी द बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड.
He was enrolled in a cricket coaching camp where his battling talent was acknowledged. His elder brother Snehashish was also a cricketer and he introduced him to the world of cricket. Despite the initial setback, he scored heavily in 1993-94 and 1994-95 Ranji seasons, which led to his comeback in the national team in the year 1996. In 1997, he won 4 consecutive Man of the Match awards for his performance against Pakistan in Sahara Cup in Toronto. In 2000, Ganguly was named as the captain of the Indian cricket team. Ganguly's captaincy is credited with turning Indian cricket around. Although on papers he retired in the year 2008 after a test series with Australia, but he has never been even an inch away from cricket, from doing commentary to being appointed as one of the 4 members of IPL governing to being nominated as president of BCCI. He has always hit the ball out of boundary.
Well, down the wicket it goes. This is high in the air. That's going all the way. Don't worry about chasing that one. Oh, a biggie! On to the roof of the newsstand. That's a lovely shot from Ganguly. He's been playing second.
Thanks for connecting. For more news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to BBNS.